There's a Kitchell or Arquette out here. That's kind of, yeah, we're here right now. Thanks for watching. Yeah, you can tell, you can see that's a macro rare, but this place is permanently closed, unfortunately. Thanks for watching. Alright, the Matthews Jar fans are going. Wow, that's so cool. Thanks for watching. There used to be 3 out here, but the other 2 were unfortunately removed. That's interesting. Thanks for watching. Here's the Caleras outside. Kind of there for a long time ago. Thanks for watching.
How's it going?
Looking around. This is here. Thanks for watching. Here's some of the Cyclones. Unfortunately, it's permanently closed. I doubt the concept ones are still here. Yeah, I can't see. Thanks for watching. Alright, these are still here. Wait. That one's going? Right there? Not that one. That one must have stopped working. This one actually is going here. How the heck happened there? Thanks for watching. Alright. These are parts are still here. This one's going either way. Thanks for watching.